we have a new Atlantic Charter before us. This was signed on June 10, 2021 at England where G7 summit was going on. Okay, so this Atlantic Charter, actually there is another Atlantic Charter which was the old Atlantic Charter which was signed in the year of 1941. Here what we are discussing is about the new Atlantic Charter. Okay, this new Atlantic Charter is signed between US President, the current US President and the British Prime Minister. Okay, whereas the old Atlantic Charter, or we can say simply the Atlantic Charter of 1941, was signed between the then British PM as well as the then President of US. Okay, this was signed in the year 1941. Okay, what I am speaking now is about the older one, that is the Atlantic Charter. It was signed in 1941 during the time of World War II. That means the time period between 1939 to 45. That is the time period of World War II. Okay, so during this period, this charter was signed between Prime Minister of Britain as well as the President of US. Okay, in that agreement they signed, there is a lot of points they are agreeing upon. Okay, one of such point was free trade. Okay, this was signed because at that time they are discussing and deciding on what to be the next time period or the post-war time period. Okay, so they wanted to agree something on which how the post-war time period should be look like. Okay, so they decided that during the post-war of Second World War there should be less restrictions on the trade, so they decided that there should be free trade between the nations. Then and they decided on the right to choose their own government by every country, and they decided that there will not be any annexation of the territories by both US as well as the Britain, and the government of different countries will be free to choose their own government, and they will be following a disarmament, and there will be no annexation of more territories. Such kind of liberal points were adopted by them during the 1941 Atlantic Charter. Okay, so that was the better good of the future after the World War II. Okay, they did a very good step during that period time, and these principles later formed the basis of the United Nations formation. Okay, so that was another area. Now at present what is the news is there is coming a new Atlantic Charter. Okay, which is the new version of the old Atlantic Charter, and now it is known as New Atlantic Charter, and now this is signed between the current President of USA as well as the Prime Minister of Britain. Okay, so in this new charter they are again discussing or defending, they are speaking about how they will be defending the principal values and the institution of democracy and open society. Okay, so they are more focusing on the values of democracy, or we can say the principles of democracy. They will be protecting the democratic system of the world. Okay, most of the in our present many countries are having democracy, but some countries like China is not having democracy in their country. Okay, so they are focusing on protecting the democracy, then sovereignty of the country, and territorial integrity of the country. Then they will also be focusing on peaceful resolution of the dispute between the countries. Okay, so apart from going to a warlike situation, nowadays from nowadays onward they will be focusing on how they can solve this dispute peacefully through the discussions. Okay, then they will be mainly cooperating to maintain the international stability and also to defend every country from the cyber threats, which is getting more worse in current days. And they will be always also they will be cooperating on how to mitigate the climate change or how to protect our climate better for the future. Okay, so all these areas they will be cooperating with each other, and also they will be defending the principles of democracy. Okay, so these are the main points coming under the New Atlantic Charter, which is signed on June 10 of 2021 during the time of G7 summit at England. Okay, so this is signed between US President and the British Prime Minister, like the old Atlantic Charter of 1941. Okay, so this was there in news. So please aware of the points which is coming under this topic. That's all. Thank you.